Good afternoon and welcome to our Thursday live art demonstration. We are coming to you right now from Upbeat Artworks in Portage Place Shopping Center. I know you've probably seen this notification pop up on your phone. If you follow us on social media, please click that link and join us today. We're here every Thursday. We do a live art demonstration in our community art space. Our live demo, it's a variety of mediums. And today we're going to be focused on one of our favorites and most accessible, I think, is rock painting. But we'll get more into that after this. If you're not aware, Artbeat Studio, we are a not-for-profit registered charity, and we believe in the healing power of art. You can see behind me, I'm surrounded by all this art. Wonderful things that have been made by folks who have participated in our programming. You can see more at artbeatstudio.ca. Check that to see more information about us. But for today, we are in Upbeat Artworks, and we're going to talk about an artist first before we get into our live demo. So the artist we're going to talk about today is Kathleen Shelrood.
Hello.
And here's
Happy Thursday.
Hi, Kate.
Very beautiful artwork. Some of them were sold already. Kathleen brought some pottery and new art pieces that we'll show you in a bit. So we can start with this small ceramic leaf right here.
beautiful. And as Kate's showing you stuff, all this stuff is available for purchase in store or on our website at upbeatartworks.com. Yes.
And this little piece, it has 4 legs. It's called large ceramic plate with blue leaf.
Beautiful.
We do not have anything here. I'm just returning the label. Yep. Dragon mask. We have another piece right here. This is a ghost. It's called Love Ghost Incense Burner, and it has 2 pieces.
It's beautiful. And you can just burn the incense and it comes out.
Right here.
How much is that?
It is $35, no tax.
Wow.
And we have several pieces right there. Have a tiny woman with earrings vase. It is $35.
Cute.
Magnificent seal and 2 balls right here.
So yeah, Kathleen does a lot of work with ceramics and pottery.
And we have a couple more ceramic pieces. That's number 1. And we have a mug with a face.
Oh, cool. How much is the mug?
It is 40.
$40? Nice. There's also this piece up here, Kathleen Shelrood. So this is actually a thicker, gallery stretch canvas, but so tiny. And she does a lot of work with resin, right?
Yes, all the pieces we received have resin on them. We have Shine Like the Whole Universe is Yours, and No Doubt. Also, where is the...
It's beautiful.
And we can just show this. It's a little bit, it's very important, but it's not related to Kathleen. This is called Mirrorworks Artbeat Annual 20. It just went out. We had our event that happened in the Indigo chapters last week. So we have both groups from last year that have their book published.
And this book is actually something we publish every year. It's an annual publication and it features all of the artists who've gone through our programming. This book is really beautiful. Art Saves Lives, and it's available at Upbeat Artworks for $25. $25, yes. It's beautiful. And we do have that one other piece I want to show Kathleen's, the large one.
Yes.
It's beautiful. What's it called?
It is called Bring in the Clowns.
Bring in the Clowns. Nice. Yeah, beautiful work by Kathleen, available here at Upbeat Artworks.
Or check on our website. Again, it's upbeatartworks.com.
And I guess let's
get to our painting.
yeah. So now you can see I'm following Kate. We're actually in Studio Central. And this is our Urban Art Center located in Portage Place Shopping Center. You can see Logan there. Hi, Logan. And this is our setup for today. So what do we have here? We have rocks.
We have, first of all, rocks. Yes, rocks, wet wipes, some varnish for the rock I painted at home, some rocks that were painted a couple days ago.
Ooh, this is nice.
And yes, I did pre-paint some if you want to try the Nice Tea. This is a Nice Tea acrylic paint marker set of 128 colors. It's dual tip, one side is medium, one side is small.
Cool.
We'll work with that. These are photographs that my Facebook friend posted on his Facebook profile, and these are, this is actually a forest in Latvia.
Oh, nice.
Near
Okay.
Daugava River.
Wow.
So these are the mushrooms from abroad. Not
That's
here.
awesome.
And I started this one. I'm not sure if it's finished. Maybe I'll work on it a tiny bit more, but
It looks so good.
I want to varnish.
It's like a chanterelle. Okay, now I'm gonna try to connect. We have a proper speaker, so I'm gonna see if, or a microphone. So I'm gonna see if that works. See what happens.
Yes, that's very enjoyable. Some other ones I have. That is the calligraphy pen I showed last time. I have Poscas and I have the pens from Stedler.
You okay? Okay.
Now let's see if that's
Hello, can you hear us?
We're here.
Can you tell? I did to us, so hopefully,
yeah.
should pick us up.
Oh yeah,
There's like, I don't know what the earphones are.
because this is the headphones, and then this is.
Yeah. So like
that's the
computer or, yeah. Because that's why I've turned it like this way, because it's more microphone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It'll pick up just from the microphone, I think. Okay.
All right, so the Nice Tea, I'm quite sure many people saw this already. That's a set of 128. I really enjoy the black marker here. All of them are great, but the black one is really good for rock painting.
This is so cool, eh?
Are those acrylic paint markers?
Yes. Yes.
Isn't that nuts?
So I thought
so
maybe
sick.
I'd varnish one rock. This is painted with a combo. This is acrylic. Around is all acrylic.
Yeah.
And the mushroom is a combination of acrylic and paint marker.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So this is Posca on the other side.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, these markers don't do that.
No, okay.
Yeah, so I'll varnish it and show how that works
Okay.
with varnish, but
to try these paint markers. I'm gonna grab one of the greens.
So here it is.
Beautiful.
That is so nice.
I did not show the reference. The reference was actually this mushroom, but I changed it because they. Yeah, I did not go with the exact colors and everything. I just chose one and
Cool.
changed the shape. It's not the same shape as there. Now I have the board with me that actually is a little bit more to the way closer to what it is. Yeah.
So I think I'm going to use this one as a reference.
Okay. I'm staying with.
And if anyone has any questions, you can throw them into the comments. Or if you can't hear our audio, please let us know.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you going to do, Kate?
This just conveniently placed right in front of me.
Yes, perfect.
And it has some leaves here. Maybe I'll, instead of centering it, I will place it a little bit to the side and add leaves and grass. This dark gray is so good.
Yeah. Yeah, these markers work really well.
They work so well.
Yeah.
Can I borrow this one?
Yes. Yeah, there are a lot of paint markers that are both-sided here. So we didn't show the tip. One side has a brush tip, and another side has a little bit more control over the movement. So, yeah. That would go well with yours. For white piece, I take the Posca. And what's the silver? I don't need silver. There are some metallic ones here. If someone wants
Nice.
metallics, and then gray. Gray and brown.
Yeah, I got a fresh set of Poscas for tomorrow.
Oh, that's great.
Mhm.
The white.
I think I'll do
Let's see. Oranges. And here, bright orange, red.
these paint markers are great.
Yeah, they really
This is
are.
crazy. So I'm gonna probably will buy a pack of these.
Yes, please. Sweet. Yeah, they're really good.
Yeah. So the hues, like the color variation, like for each, whether it's pink, purple, the purples.
Plus the metallic purple right here, the two.
Yeah. Actually, both nice one is blacks.
Yeah. I got an email from Type 1 Diabetes Research, and they're gonna like put me on their sponsor list thing for the they're having like that gala.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be live painting there. Yeah,
That's awesome.
When's that happening?
November 8th.
Wow.
So the day after my art show,
Right.
which is yeah,
Oh,
That's awesome.
yeah. So it was nice when they call back.
That's good.
Yeah, I think last year it was like, I think the piece that I did for them went for $1,200, which was great for the research. So yeah.
I thought you were about
Wow.
to say something really like devastating.
Oh no.
Like, so the Diabetes Society phoned.
Yeah,
And
and yeah, they got me. Yeah.
that's good.
Yeah.
That's great.
Awesome.
Where's that happening?
I believe it's at the Human Rights Museum again.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
To go crash it.
Yeah. It's like a live auction when they're bidding. So when my piece goes up, they put it on like the projector, and then everyone's bidding. And,
Cool.
yeah, it's awkward to be there while they're doing that.
I know. It's like,
Like, please, nice. Yeah.
do they have like the auctions?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They do the ramp.
Yeah,
Yeah, my favorite part.
Oh.
Yeah.
because they did that with VGH.
Yes. Yeah. I love that.
I was like, settle down, buddy.
Yeah. Spit it out. Quit mumbling.
I wonder what the life span of one of marker is.
Yeah.
You know?
No wonder.
I will need to wait to learn that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kate's in it for the long haul.
Just got them last week, so I wouldn't be able to tell.
Yeah, I'm glad they've lasted longer than a week.
Yeah. Yes. Oh.
Yeah. Want to see your masterpiece? piece. Quiet down now.
Can I use this one?
Yes. Yeah, I put it for everyone. So, we could actually move these away, the ones we're not using, and put
Sure.
it in the center.
Yellow.
Yay. Hi, person watching. Is it my mom? No.
Excellent. So we are just doing a live demo. We're rock painting. Just and if you can hear us, that's great. We have a new microphone set up to our thing, so we hope that everyone can hear us. Although at this point, if it's silent, it's fine.
Yeah. We'll get there.
It's coming together slowly. It is extremely hard with just markers because this type of work, as I did it at home, it's way easier with a combination of acrylic and a paint marker.
Oh, like actually, like a brush? Yeah.
It's always easier.
Yeah.
Okay, I better start with greens, or I won't make it.
Yeah, I'm doing the background first. before
Yeah,
get the
I
mushroom,
think
which
that's
is-
way easier to have the background before.
But that's very not me. Normally I do like the background last.
Steal that from you.
can predict this green will go really quickly.
Yeah.
Because it is so perfect
Which one?
for the greenery, this one.
Ooh.
It's a very dark green. Anyone's using black? No, I meant the black from here.
Can I try that dark green that you were just using?
Yes.
Oh, that is so dark. Wow.
Yes, yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, I saw that black. I thought.
That's weird. Oh,
Oh,
right. I just relocated it yesterday.
Oh, I
It was
see.
not on this spot.
I love the brush tip.
Of both sides, and the brush tip is good. For some purposes, it's not.
Yeah, that screen is awesome.
just the greens. They're so
Yeah.
so much fun.
Really.
Mmm, that looks good.
You
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
kind of
My
get
mushroom is not even close.
Oh, I'm also getting my fingers involved. I'm kind of like doing this.
Uh huh.
And going,
Okay.
Wow.
cool.
Okay, so mine's very not done yet, but I'm ready to show how imperfect that is on this stage. Here.
Okay.
I'm not sure what I can do.
What? That looks so good. Albert says that's an amazing marker set. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Really beautiful. Henry's watching. Hey, Henry.
Hey, Henry.
Beautiful. I'll show you. Logan, see your mushroom.
Yeah.
What? Very cool. Psychedelic.
Yeah.
Okay, see it?
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, doing all the different colors going
Nice.
out. Yeah.
Okay, yellows. Where are they? Right here. I like how when you don't press too much, they are getting into a really fine,
Yeah.
fine brush.
That's great.
You can get some really fine lines with this,
Mhm.
the brush part. It's really good.
Oh, we have 10 minutes left.
Do we?
Yeah. 4:15.
Jesus.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Doesn't sound good to me. I'm not even close.
Time is flying today.
Mm.
And we get to do this. We get to do this all day tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
yes.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow I can finally
Lucky.
finish it, I guess, because I'm not finishing up today. That's what I have.
Ooh. We have tomorrow. We have some stuff that ArtBeat does. We do a lot of outgoing work, like tabling events. So tomorrow we're going to be working at a conference and doing what you see here today at the conference. So that's why a big part of our theme today is community and mushrooms and nature.
Love that.
Yeah. Like how you put the black line around it. We're gonna do that too.
Yeah, even it up a bit later. Doesn't look good yet. good. Wow.
Add some flowers. So pink. Look at these vibrant pinks. Oh my god. Ooh, these blues. Oh my god, I haven't even seen the blues yet. Look at this. Gorge.
Yeah. So nice.
There is this like purple
That's a nice
pulse.
purple too.
Oh, and that purple. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at that.
And here on this side too.
Cool.
Yeah. Took me some time to get used to it because I'm like, where was it?
Yeah.
Couple days of painting and I'm okay. I can find it now. What's that? doesn't look like I'm being close to done, but I can show what I have. So
Yeah,
just
wonderful. Stop it! That's right out of the. That is, oh my gosh, Kate. That's just crazy.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah,
That's so good.
that's straight. I could just grab it.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'll show
Yeah,
you
so shiny shinies.
Oh, nice. Beautiful.
And the varnish stroke is right here. So that one's varnished already. And I have the Manitoba Cardinals guidance here. So it will go in the garden when it's...
That's awesome. Yeah.
So what we're going to keep doing is we will continue working on these rocks, and then we'll actually post some photos of the rocks on our Facebook page. So you'll be able to see some of those end results all together. But yeah, we're really thankful we could be here today.
And do not forget, we have the Ghostly Gala at the end of this month.
Yeah.
Like all the pumpkins and all the costumes, whatever you can bring there, costumes are appreciated. Just think about that beforehand.
Okay, thank you, Kate.
See you.
All right, see you
Bye.
next week.
Bye.